don't stress, long nights, I don't rap, but I knew that I was built for this forever, ever.
Okay, so in this video I'm going to go back and show you our watch alerts that happened within our Discord group. And this particular one happened on 3/18 at 10:19 a.m. Eastern Time. And let me rewind. This one actually happened on 9/28 on 3/18. And I'm going to show you exactly how our alerts work, how you'll get those in our Discord server. You can reach out, inquire about getting an invite. But anyways, we're going to take a look at Horizon versus US dollar, which is Zen USD comparison. Like I said, this was at 9:28 Eastern Standard Time on March 18th. So a couple days ago, this went out, and what I was looking at was our buy and sell signal that's customized on the MACD, also with a last squeeze indicator that I revised to offset for the MACD that gives us better confirmations in our alerts. And Zen was currently trading at 56.03. So let me rewind here for you guys to take a look at what I was looking at. Where we at? Replay. And then so right here, this candle went out. Like I said, it was trading around 56 and it soon shot up at 60. It's holding up today. It dropped back down. So basically we hit 66, 64-ish. We got in right here. A good move up to the north. All of our indicators were showing green. Both of these double confirmed one another. The volume was great and it went on. And also it traded above the Ichimoku. So let me try to get this replay for you guys to show you exactly what I was looking at. So it started to pan out. I'm just going to zoom forward. This was at 8 o'clock. This was at 12 o'clock. We can go to the 30-minute. As you can see right here, the alert came in right here and it shot up. And then it just continued to play out for the next couple of hours. And then at some point we probably would have got out right here. Most of our thinking process is get out on 2-3 point moves up, which will give us around 5 to 10%. And that's a pretty good return just in a couple of hours. As you can see, this went out throughout the night. We could have set our limit to sell orders, and we would have got out around that point. And then as you can see, it also, the sell signal came in right here. So the buy signal is here, the sell came here, 62.70, 61.50-ish. We could have held on to that 64 candle, which was way out here, which gave us another confirmation on the green. Couple greens confirming, and it went up to 64. And as you can see, that was pretty much it. And it started to fall back down into the territory. And I want to make note that we also teach our students back here when this Chiku span line hits, which would have been around here. I've also customized my Ichimoku clouds to what fits me, and most of our community members have found that this works better, is offset it, because the crypto Ichimoku is a lot different than the stock Ichimoku. It's basically going to hit right here, and sure enough, that was around in this candle section at 65, 64-ish. And as you can see within our technicals and RSI, it also confirms. So that's for the Zen alert that went out in our group. Let me take a look right here. Taking a look at What is this one? REPUSD. REPUSD is Agar US dollar. So REP/USD. This was alerted at March 18th at 10:18, and the price at that point was 30.82. 30.82. So let's remember that one at 10:18. 10/18, March 18th. So our sell signal came in, and we're going to take a look. I usually use the 30-minute and 1 hourly chart to get my long-term confirmation and also the daily. So let me take a look at the 4 hourly, and let's look at what 10/18 showed us. Here's 8 o'clock. Let's zoom in per hour to get us to that point. There's 10 o'clock. Here's what it looked like. Zoom in a 15-minute. Right here was the pivotal point. This is the sell signal. However, the daily and the 4 hourly broke the cloud, as you'll see. And it started to climb and really took off at 35. So the call out was at 30.82. That's more than a 10% jump. Took off, started to fall back down, and you guys will see right when our sell comes in, confirmation, the Chiku span hit back here, and it started to drop. This gave us the confirmation, this gave us the confirmation, and even the RSI gave us the confirmation to go ahead and get out. And as you can see, it fell back down. So this was a good call out as well. In our Discord group, guys, I'm telling you, if you're not in our Discord group, you're missing out on some pretty good returns. This one traded sideways. It could have been. It was AMP. It wasn't the best. This one, yeah, hit BTC or hot USD. Was alerted at 007. This one, Acro USD, 6 cents. This one just traded sideways. I even marked them to go back in time and show you guys, and you can confirm on the charts what this would look like when I called it out. March 18, 10:37. This one was a really good one. Let's take a look at this. MLN. March 18th, 11:31. Now it was trading at 58.42. At 10:42, March 18th. I alerted it exactly around this point. You thought maybe it was a decline in some of the new beginners, but if you really realize a reversal flag or a flag setup comes back and it takes off, and as you can see, it was trading at 55-ish. What did I say the alert went out at? 58.42 at 11:31. So okay, so 11:31 is right here. We're at 58, and it took off to 82, and now it's about to climb again. And as you can see, our signal is taking off on here again. This is the 1 hourly, sorry, and it's March 22nd at 11 o'clock. So this is live. The replay, let me go back here and just show you what I was looking at around this time. Here's what it looked like. Our signal still green. That's still green. 15-minute was going down, which gave me a better entry. I usually take this as support, or anytime it breaks the green span A or lead 1 and drops down to that, we can just see what's going to play out. Sure enough, it hits right there. And then we take off to the green. As you can see, that was a pretty good setup. One of the best that our alerts have came out with, other than BAT. And it just continued to go up, and there was the really inflaming candle that really took off, or engulfing candle, not inflaming, engulfing candle. It wasn't even a bear, it was a bull on top of a bull, so wow. So that was a good return. I mean, we literally 56 to 84, guys. It can't get any better than that, and we're pretty accurate within a couple of hours that you guys are setting on these positions, or that most of our community members that decide to get in are setting up their positions within just a couple minutes. I've got to say that I've narrowed it down with these signals to try to get the alerts out so you're not setting on them forever and you're seeing your profits come in and it takes off to the green. I just want to say this does work with stocks, options, and obviously crypto. The time frames change. We've got a manual that's coming out soon with our coding that we'll produce or offer as a product. Our trading room is about $50 a month. You guys are going to make obviously way more than that. At least we're going to try to help you do that. I want to make the disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a trader and retail trader just like everyone else in the community. I am a little bit more skilled because I've been doing this for about 12 years along with my friend Carlos. He's been doing crypto for about 4 years, analyzing, looking at which ones are long-term growths and everything, so we're set up there as well. So don't forget, make sure you subscribe, like, and ask us for that invite to our Discord. We'll be glad to send you an invite, and I'll see you in the next video.